In quiet consolidation, that's how this weekly expiry day, this Thursday's trade has actually panned out. We managed to linger around 14,200 for the better part of today's trading session, though gave up that mark just slightly towards the session close in really the latter part of today's trading session, finally closing in at 14,203 on Nifty futures. The big stunner today was really the market breadth, and that managed to outperform what the benchmark indexes were doing. A solid market breadth, even on close, even though it came off a little bit from the top, we still managed a good 93 stocks standing to the advances within the F&O universe. What was holding out today sectorally was automobile, bank, capital goods, you had fertilizer, finance, metals. They were all showing leadership along with media as well. Oil and gas, pharma, power, and some of the realty plays were ebbing off just that wee bit. But I'll come to that in just a second. Firstly, a texture of the Nifty. It was really all about metals, be it Tata Steel, JSW, Hindalco. They were all taking leadership today. Tata Steel managed to close at almost a 5.5% gain. Hindalco roughly saw a 5% move as well. And besides that, you had a big move come out on Bharti, holding up a good 3.5%. Innocent Bank was the other mover. That saw a 3.6% gain as well. L&T Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, the financial duo as well looked very, very smart indeed. TCS also was in focus. Remember, tomorrow you'll have TCS deliver its numbers and kickstart the Q3 earnings season as well officially. And now coming to the broader markets, where there was IDFC first holding up 11.5%. Bharat Forge, after the Class A truck data coming out of the US, held out very well. Many experts believe that Motherson Sumi should be playing catch up, and there's no reason why that stock should not be seeing a rub off of green. Shriram Transport, Indibles Housing, Sun TV were some of the other high flyers. On the flip side though, there was some ebbing off, be it on a Coforge. Some of the FMCG names definitely gave up gains. ITC, for instance, for a second consecutive day, has been feeling the heat of the government mulling some restrictions on now tobacco sales, increasing the age limit for sales and banning the sale of loose cigarettes. At least reports seem to be doing the rounds of the government mulling to do so, and that didn't augur well for the stock price yesterday, and today as well it saw some follow-through selling. Also add to that some of the other pure play FMCG names like a Unilever, like a Nestle, they were also in the red in today's trading session. There was also HDFC Life that saw some amount of red tick, about a 2% downtick coming in there, and Torrent Pharma and Divi's as well, which did see some profit taking coming in. For now, the market is really in pause mode. You've got stock prices which have run up way ahead of what Q3 numbers are going to deliver. All the prices, or rather all the positives for now at least, seem to be baked in the price, and thereby the chance of a disappointment only increases, because you know this is an overbought, overheated market, at least for now. So it's going to be very critical, this Q3 earnings season, which of course we are going to quick kickstart officially with TCS tomorrow. So we'll catch you tomorrow morning with all the market action.